This is everything you need to consider for an incredible laundry. Hey, my name's Alison. The laundry is the hardest working room in the house. So here are some tips to help take productivity to the max. Let's get into it. It's important to think about what you plan on storing in your laundry. Ensure you have plenty of cupboard space for bed linen, towels, tablecloths and blankets. They take up more space than you realise. Also consider full height storage cupboards for brooms and mops. A generous working area will allow you to complete all your laundry chores easily and quickly. A large bench is also great for folding items, so add that if you can. Elevated hanging rails allow you more space to dry items indoors. Also consider having one over the sink to dry items that are dripping or wet. Next, make sure you have sufficient lighting above your workspace. This will help you to see what you're doing at any hour of the day. Under cabinet strip lighting can help with this too. Installing a large custom sink in your space is a great idea. It allows you to wash larger items like doonas and curtains, and pets if you have them. The laundry can also double as a pet sleeping and feeding zone. Cleverly designed cupboards can be converted into pet beds and food storage. And there you have it, a multi-purpose laundry room that works as hard as you do. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.